What's up, guys? I'm gonna make a quick video for you. I'm gonna be playing Triple Dismount because I just want to make a really quick video so then I can record all the coming back stuff, and I'll just record the slides so I can show you where we are. So we're gonna play Triple Dismount with my friend Aqua. Say hi. So Aqua's gonna go. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do whatever he does. I did be good. I need to go outside. I just went back to be my record, folks. And you saw it first. Can you go back in time? My squad thing. That wasn't too fast, but no, that's pretty good because you can probably get shit over. I know that's pretty much sucks, so we're gonna start that. Sorry about the noise, guys. It's the morning, so we're just making coffee and stuff. Oh my god. Oh, that's pretty good. He doesn't need like that much, I'm also we're going! Cupcakes. They're beating you up! They hit me. Son, run! Get it, Paul, getting it! Cover it with your brain. If you were dying, please. We're going to different map and I think sorry guys, I just don't want to see it again.
Bingo. Wait,
Steering right there. Steering.
what? Oh, the way you want to go. On the street. Get ahead. I got a turn. I'm running away.
Oh shit!
Keep going.
Oh, I won!
Alright, I got another score. Man. I got almost 90,000. Oh no, wait, never mind.
Your fresh tequila drinks, a pina colada with some tequila and vodka.
No.
Interesting. I'm gonna put it down, man.
Dang. I could just beat my high school like badly. Oh my god.
Trust it. My ice jetting is better.
Too bad you can't speak too good, but okay. Guys, what? I will do full speed of how that happened. Dang! Ooh! Bam! And I crashed. Let me get that. The Royal Highness. That's stupid. Oh my god. Just because I saw a Royal Highness? Go, go, go! I just I don't know I will stop here and I will upload this video as soon as I can, and hope you guys have a wonderful day and goodbye.